promised, I'm back with the second set of latest GD topics for you all to prepare first and thereafter do online practice with me in a group of 10 each, and I will assess you for effectiveness, content, and thereafter give comments, feedback for improvement. Now let's have a look at the topics. Okay, so here is your first national topic for discussion. Now, the news of more students' suicides in Kota should worry us greatly about the increasing number of such deaths countrywide. Now, as per these statistics, students' suicide account for more than 8% of total suicides in the country. Now, what, in your opinion, is the main reason behind this disturbing trend? Is it because of the parental and peer pressure, or the poor secondary level education? Or you feel that limited reputed government colleges and seats is the one which is responsible. Now the same topic can come in a different way. The news of more student suicide in Kota should worry us greatly about the increasing number of such deaths countrywide. And as per statistics, student suicide account for more than 8% of total suicides in the country. Now what, in your opinion, would be the best way to tackle this trend? We should ban the coaching system, or there should be aptitude tests and career counseling, or you feel that we should increase the number of seats in the government colleges. Now let's have a look at the international topic. The BRICS group of emerging economies has recently announced the admission of 6 new members in its fold during its 2023 summit. Now, it is being seen as a strategic move by the analysts. Now, what, in your opinion, is going to be the foremost outcome of this move? It would reshape the global world order, or will it have a stronger global south in the world affairs, or you feel that it is going to counterweight to the US and its allies? Now, here comes the social topic, which is going to be the third topic without any choice. Now, women are seeking independence in all walks of life with an aim to empower themselves and achieve financial freedom. However, it has many implications in the long run for the society. Now, what, in your opinion, would be the most likely impact affecting our society? Whether it would weaken the family system, or the crime against women would rise, or you feel it will lead to gender equality and women empowerment. Now, this is going to be the additional social topic. Now, these days, the professionals are seeking working life partners. However, it has certain pros and cons affecting our society. What, in your opinion, would be the most likely impact affecting our society? It would affect the upbringing of children. You feel that it would weaken the family system, or whether you feel that it is going to have a financial stability and better opportunities for the children. Now the aspirants can prepare on the topics given in the video. Thereafter, you can register by sharing your name, email ID, and type of entry on WhatsApp number 8004928123. Thereafter, we'll have the second practice on the 3rd of September, that is Sunday at 9 p.m. on Google Meet in a batch of 10 each.